you glance.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Jenny. Yes. How are you guys? How are you doing today? Oh my god, can you believe it's already a love month, you guys? It's February. So today we are going to create a glowy, dewy for Valentine's Day. You know what I'm saying? Because why not, right? You want to glow in that day because you're in love, baby. You're in love. Unless you're broken-hearted. When you're broken-hearted, when someone hurts you, you need to stand up and glow, okay? So without further ado, and I need to stop talking about this glowiness, let's just dive into this. So let's go. First, I'm going to use my Pixie, and this is a glowtion Day Dew. So we're going to massage this in our face. And now, since this dewiness is not enough, we are going to use our Becca, and this is a backlight priming filter. Yes, girl, yes. Ew. So for my foundation, I am using my Infallible Pro. Yes, we're gonna use this, and I'm in the shade 208 Sun Beige. So using my Real Techniques buffing brush, I'm going to buff this in. That's light. Well, since it's too light for my skin, I am going to use my L'Oreal True Match Lumi, and this is in the shade N7 and N8. So we are going to mix that together. So we're just gonna blend everything together. Oh yes, ma'am, yes. Oh yes. And I'm going to use my beauty blender just to pat this on my skin. So for my concealer, I'm using my Anastasia, and this is in 2.0. Alright. With that, don't worry, because we are going to set that with my Laura Mercier in translucent powder. To set everything, I'm using my MAC Studio Fix, and this is an NC43. Alright, now let's move on to our eyes, baby. So using my Anastasia Renaissance, I'm going to use this for my transition. And the first color is going to be the red ochre. Alright, I think that's good. And now for my second transition, I am using Love Letter, baby. I'm going to put that here in my eyelids, but not going up for my transition. Since we don't have eyelids, what I do here is just like in my eye socket and just like blend in there, but not going up where my transition. So just here. I'm trying to create a lid, which is I don't have. So now you guys, I'm very excited because I am going to use my new Chocolate Gold Too Faced palette, which is, it looks yummy, and I'm going to use this, but I don't know what color yet. I already done my swatches with this, and it's beautiful, very gorgeous. Like, look at that. So my transition was red ochre, so which is red is the color of February. It's the color of heart and love. And for my other transition, I was using a love letter. Nowadays, there's no love letter anymore because everything is on Facebook. Like what I'm saying. And for my lids, I found here it called Love and Cocoa. This one right here. So we are going to use that with your brush, and then dip in this palette, and it's more pigmented. I love it. Yes. And this brush is a MAC 242. Oh, love it. So I'm going to stop right there, and then I'm going to use this cocoa and truffle here. This thing smells so yummy. I just want to eat them. It's a chocolate season too. Let your man know that if they give you a flower, it needs to have a chocolate. I'm saying, they just give you flowers. Hey. Okay, honey, if you watch this, if you listen to this, you know what you're getting, okay? Yes! I love how this look turns out. I love it. It's not that dramatic, but you can see that my eyelids is in love. Yes, and I love it. Going back to this color, I'm not dipping this color anymore, but just blend everything here. And I'm gonna stop right there, okay? Now I am going to do the other side of my eyes just to save us some time. And alright, so the other side of our eyes is done, and now we are going to use this one. It's a roll-in dough. We are going to use this as our highlighter. Using my Revlon, and this is in photo ready pencil. We are going to use this here. I like this because it's so pigmented. And taking back my modern renaissance, I am going to use the red ochre. Yes, and of course using the love letter, I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to stack that with my red ochre. Alright, for my mascara, I am using my Maybelline and Total Temptation. So for my eyelashes, I am using my Ardell Wispies, and this is just a regular Wispies that you can get from drugstore. So we will use this. I think it's tacky, and let's pop this in. The lashes, girl. The lashes. Yes. Ooh, I love that. To brighten up my tear duct, I am going to use the color Vermeer, this one. Okay, so now we're going to our face. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my concealer and just like patch a little bit under my eyes. Alright, to contour, I'm going to use my Hoola Benefit. And this brush is from Sigma. I want my contour to be soft, not too dramatic. Now for my bronzer, I am using my MAC and Give Me Sun. And this brush is from AOA Studio. So moving forward, we are going to use my NYX blush, and this is an Intuition. I like this blush. It's so pretty. I just got this. It's a beautiful color. And this thing has like a shimmer in it. I like this blush. For my highlighter, I'm using my Glow Kit. And I always use a summer and a tourmaline together. I think this glowiness is enough, right? But nope, we're not done. So for my lipstick, I am going to use my Anastasia, and this is in Stripped. And this is kind of nude, but we're gonna do something about it, okay? This is gonna be my first look for this month. So I'm gonna have another look, and you guys watch out for that. To top with that, I am going to use lip gloss, and this is Gilded from Anastasia as well. Yes, honey. I love this lipstick. Yes. Okay, guys, I think that's it for this look. Let me just go ahead and change my outfit and my hair, and I'll be back. Okay? Yes, guys, and this is our final look. You guys, nothing special, you know. Just a little bit of accessories. Charas! So yes, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys like it. And if you like it, show me some love. Give me some like, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And let's be friends, and why not? And turn on your notifications on for more videos from me, you guys. My goal is to upload 2 to 3 videos per week, so I'm really looking forward to it. I've been like missing out in my video, in my Instagram, and if you haven't followed me in my social media, I'm going to put the link on my description box down below. Thank you guys all so much. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.
I just wanna dance.